Boys and girls, we just learned about compound words. At your word work today, you are going to make compound words. And this is how I'd like for you to do it. You're going to first pick a pink card, and you're going to click on it and drag it over here. And that word says pocket, pocket. Now I want to pick one of these words to make a new compound word. So I'm going to think pocket shore, pocket one. No, that's not a word. Pocket paste. No. Pocket boat. Pocket chart. Pocket chart. I've heard of pocket chart, so I'm going to click on the yellow one, and I'm going to drag it over here. And if you would put pocket and chart together, you're going to make a new word, pocket chart. And what I'd like for you to do is write it on your paper. Write the word pocket chart. Then draw me a picture of what a pocket chart looks like. Thank you.